Hi, my name is Dasrathi. I am a sales professional coming from Hindustan Unilever Limited. I had this wonderful opportunity of attending F the World by Maharaja. This particular seminar is something of one of its kind, and I have absolutely no doubt in recommending it to people in and around me. Who can attend these kinds of courses? Anybody who is in sales, who is a freelancer, who wants to become an entrepreneur, and everybody should attend this program. So what is it that I gained out of this program? There are a lot of ways where you can sell a product, but there are certain ways you can easily sell a product. So I just minimized my efforts and doubled my results. So that's what I'm going to get out of this program. So why you should attend this program? It's a program which is designed such a manner that it gives every individual a one-to-one training. It's not only about training, it's also about follow-up. It's very easy for any trainer to just take a program for one day and forget about it. But here you get the chance of getting a follow-up course where you can know where you are standing, where you have made any mistake, and you can correct yourself. So just don't sit in your couch, come out, attend this program, get the benefit which is what I am going to read from in the future. Thank you. So what is this all about? It's for you to come here and explore. But what I have explored, it's for me to share it with you. Whatever I learnt in my MBA for 2 years, it was covered in 2 sessions, and I really mean that when I say that. The program introduced me to new skill sets, new ways of approaching a business, approaching a client, how you should speak to the client, and a lot of things which I can keep talking on. I have no doubts in telling that this was the best day I had in my career. The reason being, I have got wonderful topics to discuss with, to express myself, and at the end of the day, I am definitely a better salesperson. I'm just eager to go to the market and explore whatever I have learnt, and anything else I want to learn from the market. I have full confidence that I'll be coming here for the future seminars for better topics to learn more. What is the reason why you guys should come and attend this program? There are plenty of reasons which you once come here and attend, you will come to know for yourself. So I leave it to you. Definitely attend this program. It's worth the money. That's it. Thank you guys for watching my video.